So welcome to this course on X-ray crystallography in RP 2019. The last class we have seen C22 and orthorhombic. Then we will continue now. We have seen P22. When we operate the screw along A, B and A, you get it this way. So the third two-fold is automatically generated along C. As per the Euler's theorem, two two-folds will generate the third two-fold. Now when we go to P2 to 1, interestingly here, when we consider the same way as the two two-fold along A and B, when we operate, we end up only in a two-fold. This 2-1 not generated. So we have to shift it suitably. The two two-folds to be shifted obtain the screw along the C axis. So now what happens? The two-fold along A is maintained. The screw along B goes by 1/4 in C. P2 to 1. So what happens this one? It comes here which up minus, it comes here, then this one comes here up plus. Now we can see the screw is generated. That is, when you rotate, it goes here to give it two-fold. In case we shift the two-fold along B by 1/4. So when this is rotated, it goes by up minus. When we rotate this one here, it becomes up plus. This becomes the left-handed. So not permitted. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 x y z 2 x bar. Now y up minus z 3 x y bar z bar 4 x bar y bar up plus z. Next is P21 2 2. Here the two two-folds, sorry, here the 2-1 screws should be non intersecting. Otherwise, let us assume this is A screw and this is B screw. When you rotate it here, it goes here. When you rotate it here, it comes here. Now the two-fold is generated at this point. So this has to be shifted here. Or this way. So now we will shift one by one. Let's shift the screw by 1/4, B by 4. Where this remains the same. So it comes here, it comes here. Now the two-fold is shifted here. So this has to be brought here. The default two-fold is getting generated at these points. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 x, y, z. 2 x bar, y bar, z. 3 half minus x, half plus y, z bar. 4 half plus x, half minus y, z. In the case of P21212, the 2 screws along A and B are mutually shifted by 1/4. A screw by 1/4 in B and B screw by 1/4 in A, so that by default the third axis generates the two-fold. If the screws are not shifted, the two-fold is generated not at the origin. Next we will go to P212121. This is an interesting space group. that is the screw in A is shifted by 1/4 in B screw in B is shifted by 1/4 in C screw in C is shifted by 1/4 in A. That is the three screws are non-intersecting. Again, this is A, this is B. Now we remember the screw along A goes by 1/4 in B. Screw along B goes by 1/4 in C. The screw along C goes by 1/4 in A. So when I operate, it comes here, this comes here, this operates and comes here. Now we can see that this is related by the screw, these two are related by the screw. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 x, y, z. 2 x bar of plus y of minus z. 3 of minus of plus x of minus y z bar. 4 of minus x y bar of plus z. To remember it easily, we will recollect the P2 by C in monoclinic. The screw along B is shifted by 1/4 in C. The C glide is at 1/4 of B. So this comes here. Okay, so now when I write this one, x, y, z, x bar of plus y of minus z. Now we can rotate. Cyclically. Now this becomes of plus x of minus y z bar of minus x y bar of plus z. Now P21 21 21. Comes here. So the green circled ones are the same. Now 1, 2, it comes here. So 1 x, y, z, 2 x bar of plus y of minus z, 3 of plus x of minus y z bar. So this is 3. 4 of minus x y bar of plus z. So this becomes 4. So when we write x, y, z and x bar of plus y of minus z, rotating this of plus x of minus y z bar of minus x y bar of plus z, x, y, z, x bar of plus y of minus z. So we get the P21, 21, 21. So we have seen 2, 2, 2 point groups. Now go to MM2. Remember, when the two mirrors perpendicular to A and B are operated, the third axis generates a two-pole by default. Now we'll go to PMM2. So we'll remember mirror perpendicular to A, mirror perpendicular to B, two-pole along C. So the mirror is a check line. This is the mirror perpendicular to A. So now when I operate this mirror, I get it here. When we operate this mirror, we get it here. Then obviously this comes here. Now we can see that the two-pole is generated. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 x, y, z, 2 x bar y z, 3 x y bar z, 4 x bar y bar z. Two is mirror perpendicular to A. 3 is mirror perpendicular to B. Therefore, XYZ becomes X bar YZ. XYZ becomes X Y bar Z. 4. Mirror perpendicular to C. XYZ becomes X bar sorry 4 is two-fold along C. Therefore, XYZ becomes X bar Y bar Z. Sign in C does not change because the rotation axis. Now we will go to PCA21. Again the point group is MM2. Now C glide perpendicular to A glide perpendicular to B, 2, 1 along C. Here A and B are having mirrors perpendicular to the axis. Therefore, C axis should generate the two-fold. But here C glide perpendicular to A glide perpendicular to B. Therefore, C axis should generate a screw 2, 1 along C. Now, C glide perpendicular to A. So, it is a C glide perpendicular to A. A glide perpendicular to B. That is BC plane is the mirror plane perpendicular to A axis. It reflects and the translation is along the C axis. AC plane is the mirror plane perpendicular to the B axis and the translation is along the a-axis. So the BC plane becomes a glide plane. Similarly, AC plane becomes the glide plane. Now when we operate, it goes here, it comes here. Now we should get a 2-1 screw. The 2-1 screw is generated at this point, but that has to be shifted. So now what happens? Shift the glide. C glide perpendicular to A is shifted by 1/4 in A. So it gets subtracted, it comes here. This is the A glide. This glide brings it here. Now we can see the 2-1 is getting generated here. So we get it here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 x, y, z. 2 x bar, y bar, op plus z. 3 op minus x, y, op plus z. 4 op plus x, y bar, z. Now we will go to PNA21. Again the point group is MM2. N glide perpendicular to A glide perpendicular to B, 2-1 along C. When the N glide and A glide are operated, it should generate the 2-1 screw along C by default. Now N glide perpendicular to A. So N glide is a dash and dot. A grade is a dash. Okay, so when you operate, it gets reflected here, it moves here, it moves in the c-axis by half unit. This one gets reflected here, it moves here, it comes here. Now we can see the 2-1 is getting generated here. At a plus b by 4. But the 2-1 has to be operated or generated at 0 0 0 or of combination. Therefore, the glades have to be shifted suitably. So we can shift the n glide first by 1/4 in A. So this gets here, gets reflected, moves here. Then translation by 1/2 in c-axis. A grade gets it here. Now the screw is coming at this place. Again this is shifted here. This gets reflected here, it goes here, then goes by half unit. This gets reflected here, so this screw is generated here. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1 is x, y, z. 2 is half minus x, half plus y, half plus z. 3 is half plus x, half minus y, z. 4 is x bar, y bar, half plus z. Now we will go to the point group M, M, M in orthorhombic. Remember, all the 3 mirrors to be operated. If only any 2 mirrors are operated, the third mirror will not be generated. It can generate only a two-fold symmetry. Now P, M, M, M. Mirror perpendicular to A, mirror perpendicular to B, mirror perpendicular to C. So the mirrors will be shown as a thick line. The third mirror is this way. Now, when apply this mirror, we get this one reflected, reflected. Then this becomes here this way. Now, the third mirror perpendicular to C has to be operated to get the inversion. When we reflect this goes down with an enantiomer, this goes down without enantiomer, you get an enantiomer here, down. Here enantiomer disappears and you get a minus. Now 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, x, y, z, 2, x, y, z bar, 3, x bar, y, z, that is by refraction here x bar y z 4, x bar y z bar 5, x bar y bar z 6, x bar y bar z bar 7, x y bar z 8, x bar y z bar. Now x y z x bar y bar z bar by I. X y z bar and x bar y bar z by I. Three is seven is I. So now 8 and 3. Plus 8 is x bar x is equal to by I. So now the inversions are at this junction. Now we will go to CMMM. C-centered lattice having an origin at A plus B by 2 equivalent to 0, 0, 0. P. Now C. Now we can see that because of the C-centered lattice, additional symmetries are generated. Now this is point group is M, M, M. So we get the inversion at these points. The new symmetry is generated. R. Now we can relate 1 1 is here, now we can see between these two an inversion at this point. So whole thing is getting inverted. So this is generated. Further, this and this, you can see that one is open. Now when you see here, this one, this is blade related. So that means there is a blade appearing here. So this gets reflected here and it comes here. similarly, now this is 1 and here blade related. So that means it becomes a blade here. So therefore I at a plus b by 4, a by 4, b 3 by 4, a 3 by 4, b by 4, a plus b 3 by 4, I is generated. P glide perpendicular to A at a by 4, 3a by 4 generated. A glide perpendicular to B at b by 4, 3b by 4 generated. So with this we will close the space group. Maybe some interesting space groups we can see that. Example, we have seen PCA21, PNA21, whereas when we see PCC, then is it 2 or 21? Now let us see this one. C glide perpendicular to A. That means it becomes the glide plane. Okay, again C glide perpendicular to B. So this gets reflected, it is reflected here and goes by half unit. This is getting reflected, goes by half unit. Now we can see that these two are related by a two-fold. Now PNN again 2 or 21. Now we have to suitably shift the N glide. So that is at 1/4 of A and 1/4 of B. So this gets reflected. It is moving here and moves by half unit. This is getting reflected here. It moves here. It comes here, half unit. So you get this way. So you get the two-fold generated. Not 2 1. Here two-fold generated, not 2 1. We will go to PBCA. B glide perpendicular to A, C glide perpendicular to B, A glide perpendicular to C. To get this easily, without much of difficulty, first do for P21 21 21. Remember, shifted by 1/4, shifted by 1/4, shifted by 1/4. This comes here. So this comes here, this comes here, this comes here. Now invert at this origin. It comes here, it comes here, comes here, half minus, it comes here, minus becomes plus. That is okay. So it goes here. Inversion. Now we can see that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now inverted. Now we can see that 1 and 7 related by a glide. That is, I can put it a B glide here. This gets reflected, it goes here. One and 4 related by a glide, this gets reflected, it becomes minus, it moves here. But the mirror is at 1/4 of C. So this becomes of minus, it comes here. Then 1 and 8 related and 7, 1 and 4, sorry, 1 and 6 are related by a glide at B/4. So this is at 1/4. Now we get A glide perpendicular to B, B glide perpendicular to B glide perpendicular to A, C glide perpendicular to B, and A glide perpendicular to C. B glide perpendicular to A, C glide perpendicular to B, and A glide perpendicular to C. Therefore, B, B, C, A. Okay. Thank you for your kind attention. We will continue in the next class about the further.